Hi, I'm Sophie Bailey, a Senior Associate in the Corporate Finance team at Shepherd & Wedderburn. In this episode of our series, we're going to cover drag-along rights. The drag-along rights in the new BVCA model documents have been updated. So what are the changes? The new documents set the threshold of who can exercise the drag-along rights at a simple majority of the shares of the company, rather than a set percentage simply of the Series A shares, as it was previously. It should be borne in mind, though, that investor majority consent is required under the shareholders' agreement in respect of a sale of the company. These updates seek to remove the perverse incentive for shareholders to sit on their hands and be dragged into a sale. The amendments make it clear that all shareholders will be treated broadly the same in relation to the consideration received by each party. In particular, the consideration received by a core shareholder may be subject to arrangements such as an escrow or a requirement to contribute to transaction or insurance costs, more generally referred to as common liabilities. This said, these common liabilities are subject to clearly set out fairness provisions. For example, any liability for the common liabilities shall be taken from consideration not yet paid out, such as from escrow, and the common liabilities should not be more onerous on one called shareholder than another. A called shareholder's liability should not exceed the amount of consideration received by that shareholder, other than in the case of fraud. There should be no obligation to give non-fundamental warranties, nor any post-completion restrictive covenants, unless that called shareholder is employed by or provides consultancy services to the company. We suspect that these changes will be well received. In practice, existing well-drafted drag provisions, which can be seen as setting the backstop terms for a sale, will already make provision for this, and for various other matters arising in the context of a sale. To learn more about the changes, please see the link in the description or contact a member of the corporate finance team.